Do you want to fully customize your Samsung keyboard and not this boring black UI? Well, you can easily do that with the application I'm going to show you today. So first of all, if you go to the settings button and you go to settings itself, you can actually already change a few things. But you can't really change the colors and everything, and it's still limited. You can change the size and everything, but still, like I said, not the colors. To install this app, make sure you open the Galaxy Store. After doing this, go to the search bar, then search for Good Luck. Select top result, and if you don't see this one, don't worry. If you have a Samsung device, go to the Play Store, go to the search bar, then type Fine Luck, and this is the alternative to Good Luck, so you can still install Good Luck apps on any phone. Open this application, select any app you want to install. After doing that, visit the Fine Luck homepage, scroll down, select the app you want to install. For us, that is KeysCafe. If you get a 404 error, don't worry. Go to the search bar, type KeysCafe. After doing this, select the top results. Make sure you scroll down right here. Scroll to available downloads if you get this button. Then click on the variant itself. Scroll down again and download the APK. After doing this, very simply click on it, then open the app and install it. There might be a chance you get install unknown sources prompt. Make sure you turn it on for your browser, for example Chrome. After you've done that, you have KeysCafe right now available on your phone. So let's make our own keyboard. Right here, we're just going to select it so we can make our own keyboard. Click on the text itself to actually customize it. On the English version, I want this, and with symbols, I want this. So let's select the simple keyboard. Right here, I can click on edit, and I can customize any of these buttons if I want that. Maybe you want to add a shortcut to emojis or something else, for example symbols and everything. When you select one of these, for example this one, the only thing you have to do is to click on one of the keys below, then select the hold icon. So when you hold it, you get this, for example this icon. That means it will go on my keyboard. So let's click on apply and let's give it a name. So let's save it right here, and then when I select this one, you will see the emoji right there. But you can style your own keyboard, so let's put some colors on it. I'm just gonna click on the text again. And right here, we can give it any color with these presets. We also have some effects when you're clicking on it. There are also some sounds if you really like the sound of your keyboard. But with the colors, if we want our own color, we can just click on this plus icon right here with My Teens. And right here on the left, we can click on the color, and then we have the color slider itself. So let's put on saturation, maybe on green. So let's click on OK. And right here we have variants of that green. We can also change the key style if you really prefer that. And when you're done, click on right above with the download button so you can install it on your device. Let's give it a name, simply green. Let's click on OK. And then it will apply to our keyboard. So now I've selected it by just clicking on it, but that's just the keys. If you want to change anything else, click on the pink circles you see, so one of those. And when I change that, you can see that some buttons are changing color. If you want to change the background color, make sure you click on the most right above button, and then you can change the color right here. Of course, white looks very bad. You can also put saturation to put it with a color. When you have changed the colors to your preference, just click on the install button again and then click on OK. We can also create custom stickers. If you click on my sticker and a plus button, it wants you to access the media files, and you just have to select an image and click on done. After doing this, let's click on done. And when I want to make someone jealous, I can actually send this to someone to make them hungry. It's chocolate milk. Right here, chocolate milk, choco milk, I'm just gonna call it like that. And you can also add more images if you want that. Right here I have my sticker sets, and we can also play a game, a keyboard game, for example sentence practice. My name is Milan, I am speaking English, let's start. I'm sorry, there's a bug with physical keyboard. But also right here there are some more features if you want to change them, but in the app itself, in keyboard, you actually have some more options. Right here we have our keyboard, and just like this, you can see it has a kind of rainbow effect, if you like that. I hope you enjoyed customizing your own keyboard. I've had a lot of joy with it. Make sure you do too. I'll see you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe so we can hit 10,000 subscribers at the end of this year. I know we can do it. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.